Imagine a factory where thousands of robots move with millimeter precision. BMW's X5 has been one of the company's most successful luxury SUVs since its debut in 1999. Thousands of robots move with millimeter, where artificial intelligence checks every weld, and where, every few minutes, a brand new BMW X5 rolls off the production line. Welcome inside the future of automotive manufacturing.
Today, we're taking an exclusive look at the new 2027 BMW X5 Production Line, one of the most advanced SUV manufacturing systems BMW has ever built. From giant steel presses and robotic welding, one of the most advanced SUV manufacturing systems BMW has ever built, to battery assembly, one of the most advanced SUV manufacturing systems BMW has ever built, paint technology, one of the most advanced SUV manufacturing systems BMW has ever built, quality inspections, one of the most advanced SUV manufacturing systems BMW has ever built,
and the final road test. We'll uncover every step that transforms raw metal into one of the world's most luxurious SUVs. Let's begin.
Since its debut in 1999, the BMW X5 has become one of the world's most successful luxury SUVs, setting the benchmark for performance, innovation, and premium engineering. Now, the all-new fifth-generation BMW X5 marks the biggest evolution in the model's history. For the first time ever, BMW is offering an expanded lineup of powertrains, including gasoline, diesel, plug-in hybrid, the all-electric iX5, and even a future hydrogen-powered version. Production takes place at BMW's world-famous manufacturing plant in Spartanburg, South Carolina, the very factory that has produced every generation of the X5 since the model was first introduced. But this isn't just another redesign, it's a complete reinvention of how BMW engineers, builds, and assembles its next generation of luxury SUVs. Behind the scenes, the entire production system has been transformed with cutting-edge automation, intelligent robotics, and one of BMW's most advanced, flexible manufacturing lines. The factory is now capable of building multiple powertrain types on the very same assembly line. Whether it's a traditional gasoline engine, a plug-in hybrid, or a fully electric drivetrain, each vehicle moves through the same highly efficient production process with remarkable precision. This revolutionary manufacturing approach allows BMW to quickly adapt to changing customer demand while maintaining the exceptional quality, performance, and craftsmanship the brand is known for. Today, we're taking you inside this incredible factory to witness exactly how the next generation The all-new BMW X5 is built at BMW Group Plant Spartanburg in South Carolina, BMW's largest and most advanced manufacturing facility anywhere in the world. Spanning millions of square feet, this massive production campus manufactures hundreds of thousands of vehicles each year, with many of them exported to customers across more than 120 countries. Every day, thousands of highly skilled employees work side by side with hundreds of intelligent robots to build BMW's renowned X family of luxury SUVs. But today's Spartanburg plant is a world away from the automotive factories of the past. Artificial intelligence continuously monitors production, helping identify potential issues before they can affect quality. Digital twin technology creates virtual models of the manufacturing process, allowing engineers to optimize production long before physical assembly even begins. Throughout the factory, automated guided vehicles, often called AGVs, deliver components to each workstation at precisely the right moment, keeping the assembly line moving with maximum efficiency. Meanwhile, thousands of sensors collect real-time data, constantly monitoring every stage of production to ensure every measurement, alignment, and installation meets BMW's exacting standards. The result is higher quality, greater efficiency, and a smarter manufacturing process with fewer production errors than ever before. The all-new BMW X5 is built at BMW Group Plant Spartanburg in South Carolina, BMW's largest and most advanced manufacturing facility anywhere in the world. Spanning millions of square feet, this massive production campus manufactures hundreds of thousands of vehicles each year, with many of them exported to customers across more than 120 countries. Every day, thousands of highly skilled employees work side by side with hundreds of intelligent robots to build BMW's renowned X family of luxury SUVs. But today's Spartanburg plant is a world away from the automotive factories of the past. Artificial intelligence continuously monitors production, helping identify potential issues before they can affect quality. Digital twin technology creates virtual models of the manufacturing process, allowing engineers to optimize production long before physical assembly even begins. Throughout the factory, automated guided vehicles, often called AGVs, deliver components to each workstation at precisely the right moment, keeping the assembly line moving with maximum efficiency. Meanwhile, thousands of sensors collect real-time data, constantly monitoring every stage of production to ensure every measurement, alignment, and installation meets BMW's exacting standards. The result is higher quality, greater efficiency, and a smarter manufacturing process with fewer production errors than ever before. Next, we enter one of the most impressive areas inside the factory, the body shop. This is where precision engineering meets advanced automation. Hundreds of robotic arms operate in perfect synchronization, performing an intricate manufacturing sequence with incredible speed and accuracy. They lift, rotate, position, and precisely weld each body panel into place. In just a few minutes, thousands of spot welds join the individual components together, forming the BMW X5's incredibly strong structural body. Throughout the process, advanced vision systems and intelligent sensors inspect every weld in real time. Rather than relying solely on manual inspections, high-resolution cameras instantly detect even the smallest imperfections, allowing corrections to be made before the vehicle moves to the next production stage. The result is an exceptionally rigid body structure that enhances crash protection, improves handling, reduces unwanted vibrations, and delivers the solid, refined driving experience BMW is known for. Watching hundreds of robots move in perfect harmony is nothing short of mesmerizing. It's less like a factory and more like a futuristic orchestra, where every machine performs its role with flawless timing and precision.
After welding, the body enters one of the cleanest environments in the factory. The paint shop. Dust is the enemy. Even a tiny particle can ruin a flawless finish. That's why the air is heavily filtered. The body first receives anti-corrosion treatment. Then primer. Finally, a crystal clear protective coating. BMW has also been investing in more sustainable manufacturing.
including renewable energy for production and lower emission material sourcing. The result isn't just a beautiful finish. One of the biggest changes for the new generation is electrification. For the first time, the X5 family includes the fully electric BMW iX5.
BMW has built a nearby high-voltage battery assembly facility to support production of these vehicles. Battery modules are assembled under extremely controlled conditions. Every cell undergoes electrical testing, cooling systems are installed, protective housings are sealed, and sophisticated software verifies every battery before installation. Meanwhile, gasoline and diesel engines continue to be assembled with the same precision BMW is known for. Because the factory is flexible, now the SUV begins to look like a luxury vehicle. Seats, dashboard, infotainment glass, wiring, carpets, lighting. Every component is installed in carefully planned stages. Workers and collaborative robots share many tasks. Heavy lifting is performed by robotic assist. Skilled technicians focus on precision installation and craftsmanship. The latest X5 introduces BMW's newest digital interface and panoramic display technology, bringing a more advanced cockpit experience to the lineup. The cabin combines luxury materials with cutting-edge technology.
Before any BMW leaves the factory, it must pass hundreds of inspections.
Laser alignment systems measure body dimensions. Comp water tests check for leaks. Wheel alignment is measured. Brake systems are calibrated. Suspension is inspected. Even the smallest cosmetic imperfection can send a vehicle back for correction. BMW's philosophy is simple. Now comes the moment of truth. Every completed X5 undergoes dynamic testing, engine performance, acceleration steering, braking, electronic systems, driver assistance features, noise levels. Everything is verified before shipment. Only after passing every test does the SUV receive approval for customer delivery. Thousands of hours of engineering finally become a finished vehicle ready for roads around the world. The new BMW X5 isn't just another luxury SUV. It's a showcase of modern manufacturing, from AI-powered quality control to advanced robotics, flexible production lines, sustainable manufacturing, and next-generation electric technology. BMW has reimagined how premium vehicles are built. The Spartanburg plant has evolved into one of the world's most sophisticated automotive factories, preparing for a future where combustion, hybrid, electric, and eventually hydrogen-powered vehicles can be produced side by side. And if this is what today's production line looks like, imagine what the next decade of automotive manufacturing will bring. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes factory tour, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive into the world's most advanced factories and vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.